So, what happened? The bulb blew in my salt lamp. Here are my salt lamps. I have two of them because, of course, I turned it into an experiment. So the bulb blew in one of those. It was a normal 15-watt lamp, incandescent lamp. And I thought, let's replace it with an energy-saving lamp from China, of course, which scores A+ instead of F on the energy usage. It's only a 1.5 watt LED instead of a 15-watt incandescent lamp. So it takes 1/10 of the power. And it should have the same brightness. And I'm going to put it into my salt lamp. But I thought there might be something strange to do with wavelengths of light emitted. So let's take a look at these two salt lamps. One of the lamps has the original incandescent old school light bulb in it, 15 watts. The other one has the 1.5 watt LED lamp, which of course is going to save energy. It's going to use only 1/10 of the electricity and cost 1/10 of the amount of money to run. The question is, which lamp is which has the original lamp light bulb in it and which one has the LED? And the way to find out, of course, is using my trusty infrared camera, which has this infrared filter on the front, which only allows infrared light to go through. So we're going to look at the infrared spectrum coming out of these two lamps. See if you can guess which of the two lamps, the left one or the right one, is the one with the LED. So let's take a look now using the infrared camera. And I think you can see already that the left-hand lamp is outputting plenty of infrared light, because remember, this camera can only see infrared. And the right-hand lamp, you can barely see it because it has almost no infrared output at all in comparison. So this proves very quickly that the old-fashioned light bulb has plenty of infrared output, which comes out then through the salt crystal, and the LED has no infrared output, and so nothing in terms of infrared comes through that salt crystal. The question is now, will these crystal lamps still have the same effect if I put LEDs in them like this one, which looks like it's turned off, when of course it isn't. As you can see, it's running normally. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to press the like button. Bye bye.